A bit of bean. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make the simplest lunch I ever eat. Bean salad, straight out the tin, but not as undelicious as it sounds. Woo! You excited? Let's go. I'm Laura Lloyd. I'm an eating psychology coach. I help people stop being obsessed and depressed around food, and I'm all about eating some real food, not according to meal plans. I never give out meal plans, but according to meal blueprints. And a blueprint for a meal that I really like is, have you guessed what? Bean salad. Hey look, so I just got here from having had a swim and I'm absolutely ravenous, and this morning, although I'd made the kids pack lunches, I hadn't made anything for myself because I hadn't really thought through, I'm gonna come here to my friend's house for lunch and work through till I pick the kids up. I'm not actually going to go home and cook. So I just grabbed a tin of tuna, a can of mixed beans, and a cucumber. Well, that looks like quite a sad lunch, isn't it? But actually, you know what? A bean salad is one of my staples and I absolutely love it, and it's super simple and it's super convenient. If you want to eat something pretty healthy and decent at lunch that's filling and high in fibre and has got all of the necessary and plenty of protein, why not? Okay, let's see if we can make something decent out of it. So let's open up these tins. Ta-da! Oh, I feel like I'm in a sort of 50s housewife thingy. All right, let's get this stuff out. I'm going to go and drain these beans now and drain the oil off the tuna. I've got tuna in oil, so that's kind of cool. I probably won't need any extra fat in the salad because the tuna's nice and oily, and I think that's quite nice. It's just in sunflower oil. Cool. Half an organic cucumber. Could do worse. Let's see what we can do. What's going to make it is herbs. And my friend, luckily, grows a few in her garden, so I'm going to go out and forage and see what I can find. See you in a minute. Totally lucked out because I got this mint and this oregano. Oh, there's absolutely masses of both in the garden, so I don't feel bad about nicking a bit. Here we are, the video evidence of my theft. Right, I'm just going to tear it up. Bean salad with cucumber and herbs. Let me try. It's really good. It's nice and salty already because the tuna has quite a salty flavour. I might reach for a little grind of pepper or chilli. And yeah, I really love a bit of citrus on there. But I don't feel like I need dressing. Tuna's nice and juicy. The cucumber's lovely and crunchy. And the herbs are absolutely fantastic. So, easy. Sometimes we think that eating healthy stuff is going to take a load of preparation, that we can't get our heads around it. It didn't come out of nowhere. You know, I bought those mixed beans and that tuna because I knew that at a pinch I could rustle something up out of them. So there they were in my cupboard in a time of need. What you shop for, you get to eat. So it does take a little bit of foresight, but it wasn't like I had to mess around for ages the night before. And here I am, still eating a really satisfying lunch. I'm going to go outside and sit outside and eat it because it's not too bad. It's got a big blue sky out there today, and I'd like to see the day and sit outside in the fresh air. It just brings the flavours to life a little bit. See you soon. So there we have it, a really, really simple meal idea. I'm all about keeping things really real, really simple. None of the bullshit of detox and blah blah, just real food with real ingredients so that you can eat healthily without getting overly obsessed with the detail of how much of this and how much of that. Real food blueprints. I never give out meal plans when I work with people as an eating psychology coach, but I do give out a few meal blueprints, meal ideas that you can take, run with and put your own spin on. If you like this kind of real food approach to eating and to eating psychology, then like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, if you would like to read a little bit more about my approach, I have a gorgeous, lusciously illustrated ebook that you can download at lauraloyd.co/gift.